Hi there and welcome to this week's grocery haul and meal plan. We're back to trying to be healthy-ish, so it's quite a good shop this week, no bad stuff. So first thing, I've got a 4-pint semi-skimmed, a 4-pint. The first thing I've got is a 4-pint of semi-skimmed milk. I did order another 4-pint, but they sent 2 pints of whole milk. A packet of fromage frais, Munch Bunch yogurts, some cherry tomatoes, 2 avocados, a tub of coleslaw, some grated mozzarella because we're going to do homemade pizzas this week, some coarse sea salt. I actually meant to order like the rock salt, like the, well, it doesn't matter if it's sea salt, but the solid bits, and I think this is like porry kind, so that's a bit annoying. Whole grain blueberry wheats, a loaf of bread, seeded, 12 large free-range eggs, 1 packet of mixed peppers, 1 bag of salad, some Parmesan cheese, a packet of raspberries, a packet of blueberries, a packet of strawberries. I don't know what happened here, why I have so many bananas. I think I sort of edited an order that I'd already half done, and I think I'd already ordered bananas and then I ordered 10 more bananas, so I'm thinking I have 20 bananas. It's going to be a lot of banana bread going on around here. Got some rice wine vinegar, a packet of sweet potatoes, some Method daily kitchen spray, some Serrano ham for the baked roasted cod recipe I'm going to do tonight, and some bacon, some outdoor bred British bacon, and 14 rashers of streaky bacon. And all that came to £48.37. So for this week's meal plan, on Monday we're going to be having roasted cod with Mediterranean vegetables. On Tuesday we're going to be having homemade pizza. On Wednesday we're going to be having dinner at Nick's mum's house. On Thursday we're going to have teriyaki salmon with courgette noodles. And Friday we're going to have sausage pasta. And on Saturday we're going to have chicken kebabs. And on Sunday we're going to be having a barbecue. If you want to know the recipes we'll be using to make these meals, then check out my blog at www.rosiehome.com and you'll be able to find all the recipes linked there. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye!